amazing. Yeah. This is like awesome. I've never done this in my life. Made it to Starbucks, but not sure how I'm gonna make it home after. The snow keeps on getting bigger. Time to go biking home from Starbucks. This is about where I run out of energy and start walking. I don't have far to go, but I think I need another break. That's 3 breaks on the way back from Starbucks. Yeah, my wife phoned and said, "Do you need another Starbucks when you get home?" Yeah, baby. I made it home. I don't know how many calories I burned, but probably over 600.